In this video, I'll show you how to add money to PayPal using a credit card and what actually happens when you do this. First, it's important to understand that in many countries, PayPal doesn't really top up your balance directly from a credit card. Instead, your card is used as a funding source whenever you pay someone or make a purchase through PayPal. To set this up, open the PayPal app or website and log in. Go to Wallet, then tap Link a Card or Add a Card. Enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address, making sure they match exactly with what your bank has on file. PayPal may do a small temporary charge or send a code in the transaction description. Check your bank app or statement, find the code if requested, then type it back into PayPal to confirm the card. Now, when you send money or pay online with PayPal, choose your credit card as the payment method. PayPal will charge your card and complete the payment, even if your PayPal balance is zero. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.